and come to the freedom and justice of our people. Okay.
Okay, my name is Kanul Gindol. I'm one of the organizing leaders of this event today. I would like to register my heartfelt thanks to all those who have come forward to support, be present at this historic event, which is held to coincide with the nationwide peaceful protest or demonstration against the currently being discussed in Parliament, the Peaceful Assembly Bill. And this is also to register the Sabahans' complaints, grievances against land grabs, and this is why we want the government to respect our NCR, Native Customary Rights. And on top of that, also we are calling the federal government to reconsider their stand not to establish the Royal Commission of Inquiry to investigate the phantom voters, IC palsu, and the large presence of illegal immigrants. I would like to register one more time big thank you to all those who are present here, including leaders of NGOs and political leaders and also social activists.
Siapa yang tinggi?